Hey guys, what's going on? Check out the new model I just designed. This is an inflatable bunny, and check out what it does. So you can have it stand like this, and like that. Isn't that cool? Alright, wanna learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Also special for my members only, I'm gonna show you how to fold this origami carrot you can feed to the bunny. Like that. You can actually probably figure this out on your own because this should be pretty easy to figure it out, but for members I'm going to teach how to fold it. So to become a member, find that join button. It's only about $5 per month. Okay, on with the bunny. Here we go. Okay, so for this inflatable rabbit I used a 6-inch square of kami, but instead I'm actually going to show you how to fold it from an ordinary sheet of printer paper cut square, because that's what everybody has on hand. And I'm just going to use this ordinary After Bites printer paper that I got from Walmart. Okay, so we're just gonna make a square. So fold the short side to the long side. And by the way, if you are using kami, I'll show you how to add this little tooth on it later. Turn over and fold this up, aligning with this edge. Unfold everything. And let's make this crease genderless. So reverse it. And you can do that a couple times. Okay, and now we're gonna cut this off. You could use scissors, but I like to tear it because it's faster. So make a tear on the top, and then place it on a flat surface, and separate your hands. And there you go. And you can throw this part away, or recycle it. And there's our square. And if you are using kami, you want to begin right side up and fold in half. Okay. But if you're using printer paper, it doesn't matter which side. So fold diagonally in half. Okay, unfold and fold in half this way. We're making a watermelon base. And fold this corner to here. Turn over, right to left, and repeat. And now open the pocket, put your hand all the way inside, and bring the sides together. Like that. And here we have the water bomb base. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold these two corners up, and you could fold them exactly to the point like this, but then you won't have a mouth on your rabbit, and your ears would be kind of close together. So if you want to have a mouth on it, and if you want the ears to be more apart like this, don't fold it all the way to the top. Just leave a little bit of space, maybe about that much. It's to taste. Just about like that is good. This is also if you want to add a tooth on the rabbit later, if you're using kami. And repeat on this side. And just match what you did over here. Doesn't need to be perfect. Just do your best. Alright. And there we go. So these are going to be the two ears, and this is going to be the back side. So rotate like this, and take this corner and fold it to here, but we're just going to make a crease mark. And now fold to the crease mark and make another crease mark. And then now fold this up so this crease mark aligns with that crease mark, and make another crease mark. Alright, and I'll just draw on the crease marks so you can see them better. There you go. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this corner and we're going to fold it to this crease mark, that middle crease mark. And hold the layers down so they don't slide like that. Okay, and repeat all that on this side. And I'm going to fast forward this part. Okay, and now rotate like this, and take this edge, and we're going to fold it to this edge. And hold the layers down. And unfold, and repeat on this side. Okay, and now comes a kind of tricky step, not too bad. We're gonna just open here, open that pocket, and we're just gonna fold this flap, this interior flap down on that crease. Like that. That wasn't so bad. And repeat on this side. So open the pocket and just refold this interior flap on that crease. Okay, and now comes another kind of tricky step. This is actually a little bit harder than the last step. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift this up and we're gonna refold this in on that crease, and we're making a new fold right here that wraps over this edge. Like that. I guess we can flatten it down first. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this edge and we're gonna bring it to this edge. Like this. And we're also aligning these two edges together too. Do your best. This is probably the most tricky step of the whole model. Okay, and flatten it, like that. Okay, so if we weren't able to do that, well, you got another try on this side. So, lift here, fold this in. I'm gonna go a little bit faster this time. So fold on this crease, and then make a new fold like this. And then just take this edge and bring it to this edge. And then align the edges like that. Okay. And then you can take this flap and fold this up. However, it's fine. I actually do have a guide mark. You can fold this up, aligning the edges right here. But however, it's fine. And same here too. Actually, I don't even know if the fold is necessary, but I just like to do that. Okay. Alright, so we're done with this side, and let's turn over, and we're just going to make a water bomb out of this side. So I'm going to fold this flap up so it aligns with this edge below. I'm not folding directly to the top. Okay, and repeat on this side. And fold to this point, and I'm going to make a crease mark. Okay, and now fold to that crease mark. So we're just making an ordinary water bomb out of this. And repeat on the side. So make that crease mark, and then fold to the crease mark. Alright, now take this corner and fold it to that corner. And I'm actually not going to fold it all the way, I'm going to leave just a tiny gap. And I'm pretty sure you know why. You've seen a lot of my other videos. So that way when I fold this edge to this edge, the edges don't get all messed up. Okay, and open the pocket. And just insert the flap inside. There you go. Okay, and repeat on this side. I'll go my own speed for this, without talking. Alright, so at this point, if you want to put a tooth on it, if you're using origami paper, then here's how to do that. So I'm going to show you on this green one I made. So I'm going to recollapse it like this, if you already inflated it. Okay. And take this part and fold it up however tall you want the tooth. But I say about like this. I guess if you want a longer tooth, fold it up more. But about like this is good. Unfold. And now we're just gonna lift up this raw edge here. This is kind of similar to what we did before. Lift up these two raw edges and fold this interior flap up like that. And that's the tooth. Alright. And now we inflate it. So blow into there. There. It might be a little bit harder because the hole is not the same shape. You know what I mean. And reform the ears. Like that. And now it's got a tooth and you can draw eyes if you want. Okay, now let's finish this model. So let's first open up the ears. So this is really up to you. But just open them up like this to your satisfaction. And the same on this side. So we're just making just a random fold right there. Okay. And open them to taste. And now here's the fun part. We're ready to inflate it. So separate the flaps and blow into that hole. Blow into the mouth. Okay. And there it is, the bunny. I think this is a really cool model. And by the way, next week I'm gonna show you how to fold this Easter egg flicker. And this flies pretty good too. So there it is, the Origami inflatable rabbit. And you can make it stand like that. Or in this position. I think it's neat how it stands like this. So yeah, there you have it. Alright, well, hope you guys were able to do that. And make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.